I'm near this metro station near Kukatpalli, and I have with me the cutest little guy on this earth. This little puppy who is looking for a home. The reason I'm making this video is last time around I actually got a few people coming forward saying that they would want to adopt. So it's like this little guy, I'm thinking of taking her home. It's a female puppy actually, very friendly, very sweet. So if I were to take her home and then I'm able to find her a home for her, life would be so perfect, yeah. So this is near JNTU station, metro station, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. And this little girl apparently she has her another puppy around. So if you can just find them a home, take a look at it. Very sweet puppy. I'm making this video middle of nowhere, but this is how it is. So it will be so nice, and we have someone really nice with us here. He's Aapka naam? Wasim. Very few people stop and help these little souls, these little animals. So he's one person I've seen who stopped. There was so many people walking past. So I think this is something for all the people on my channel. Let's try and find it a home, yeah, because it's bound to get run over otherwise. It's a very busy street. So if you all can, aap kuch kehna chahenge? Yeah. So that's what. So on that note, I'm thinking whether I should take it home or not. I'm just thinking. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.